All right, but before that, let's go to IP in the news, right? So we've got two topics tonight, one about design patents and the other about Andrew Davis. So
Trademarks.
trademarks. So what
So
should we do first?
why don't you do the design patent one?
All right, I'll do that. So everybody knows what a design patent is, right? Right, of course, no. So normally when we think about patents, we think about these big lengthy legal documents that have drawings and then sort of an essay after that. And they're legal documents that protect a lot of different variations on an invention. Design patents are different. Design patents are just drawings that are submitted to the patent office, and they protect the ornamental features. That is the way something looks.
Like the phone.
Like the phone, right. And so Oliver Wainwright of Guardian Online wrote a book review about the name of a new book out called Patented, 1,000 Design Patents. And what the author did was he went through all of the different designs since the beginning of the design patent process in the 1880s to show how technology and design has changed over a long period of time. So for example, one of the examples that they use is the design for a kitchen mixer, right? Starting from 1940 up until now. And you can see sort of how.
Why do you look at me when you say that?
Well, I don't use the kitchen mixer as much as you do.
You don't use it at all.
I think I know how to turn it on. But anyway, so it's a very interesting book. And one of the things he talks about is, for example, how fast food restaurants get design patents on their shape so that if you're driving, you can see a Pizza Hut or a McDonald's, then they have a very recognizable look to them. And all of this is part of protecting, your strategies
and your brand, which Chris is
right.
A branding person.
Absolutely. And so there's a lot of different creative ways you can protect your brand using design patents. And it really became a popular legal strategy after the Samsung versus Apple case, where they were fighting over the way cell phones look, right? And so Samsung ended up winning $539 million. And all of a sudden, everybody got very excited about using design patents. And so
so how many patents are there for a phone? Can you read this quote from the article?
I'm glad you asked, because Florian Mueller says that the number of patents in a phone is so huge that nobody's ever been able to count them all. So that's great for our business. And so we want to encourage technology developments like that for sure.
Okay. Well, I'm not going to start counting them. Anyway, so their design patents are worth over $500 million. So even though it's like not this huge patent and not super expensive, the ROI on it can be tremendous.
Can be really tremendous. And the companies file these patents. So if Apple sues Samsung, then Samsung can sue Apple back on their set of patents. So,
so the lawyers make out. So anyway, okay.